What we're working on here is a 2020 Jaguar EV400. This is an all-electric vehicle from Jaguar, and so there's no gas engine, and it's like some of the hybrids that you see over the years. What we have is it's a real light hit. So I know you can't see the bumper cover, but it's a simple bumper cover, fog light, headlight. So the fog light's broken, headlight, a couple components. This reinforcement is damaged as well, so we have to remove and replace it. As you can see, that's bent there. We have some of this intake plastic down here that's damaged as well. No upper structure damage, but due to the color, it's not a tri-stage, but due to this type of color, we always figured to blend it as the hood, or as the bumper has about a 4-inch top that sets up against it. So we'll figure to detrim R&I, blend this, same thing, replace the fender liner, replace the tire, and then here we've got some stress marks on the windshield washer bottle. And as you can tell, that these pigtails on the wiring harness are damaged also. So we're gonna play a little fun game of Price is Right. So if you guys wanna join in, jump in the chat and just take a stab at what you think it's gonna take to repair this vehicle properly per what Jaguar says to do. Remember, the average repair order on collision vehicles today is about $3,600, give or take, and that's on a normal vehicle, not an electric vehicle. Definitely not a Jaguar. So keep that in mind when you're just trying to spitball, guess what it's going to take to do that. But I'd find it interesting to see what people think the actual repair for something as minor as this is going to run. So stay tuned for our follow-up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.